Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I hope you are all doing good. So today I am presenting you the most beautiful and lightweight gold hoops earrings designs with different designs of hoops, dangle drop earrings designs. So all these earrings are most trending and beautiful earrings designs. So these earrings are you can wear it on daily wear purpose. So all these earrings are collected from open sources and websites, and all these earrings are pretty and beautiful designs. And the models in this video we will suit most of the daily wear purpose and college wear purpose. So try these earrings designs for a stunning look. So guys, in case if you are not subscribed our channel, so please click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon for more new videos. So please like and share, subscribe our channel. So let's get started. This one is a beautiful flower design hoops earrings, and this one is a lightweight white stone hoops earrings design, and this one is fantastic sunflower hoops earrings design, and this one is a dancing hoops earrings design, and this one is leaf style hoops earrings design, and this one is fantastic sunflower white stone hoops earrings design, and this one is a beautiful stone hoops earrings design. This one is latest design of key and heart symbol earrings design, and this one is beautiful and new model hoops earrings design, and this one is fantastic dolphin dangle drop hoops earrings design, and this one is fantastic and beautiful leaf design hoops earrings. So this is our latest collection of hoops earrings designs ideas. So thanks for watching this video.